minute, it's Josh Stanners going over our latest video, just showcasing a remote control searchlight and other electrical safety lighting that we do. So as you can see, we have a searchlight all operated off a remote. Has full rotation, 180 degrees and 90-degree upwards and downwards direction. Fantastic and ideal for those in the power company industry who want to stay inside their vehicle and shine the light up on the area they're going to be working on. Also, as you can see, we have all the side spotlights with on off switches on the light and the handle for easy control, and a light bar, LED light bar on the front for maximising your safety. Call us today, 095800 or have a look on our website autotransform.co.nz. Thank you so much.